None of them are perfect. None of them fully explain what happened on August 15th, 1977. The WOW signal remains exactly what it's always been, unexplained. You might think that after discovering something this significant, scientists would immediately point every telescope on Earth at that spot and listen. And you'd be right, they did exactly that. In 1987 and 1989, astronomers conducted intensive follow-up observations of the same region in Sagittarius. They used the same telescope, the same frequency, searching for any trace of the signal. They found nothing, absolute silence. In 1995 and 1996, they tried again with improved equipment and longer observation times. Still nothing. The signal had vanished as mysteriously as it had appeared, but the search didn't stop there. In 2012, on the 35th anniversary of the WOW signal, humanity did something bold. We sent a response. A crowdsourced collection of messages from people around the world was beamed toward that same spot in space, using the Arecibo radio telescope. It was symbolic, a way of saying, if you're out there, we heard you and we're listening. Of course, even if something received our message, we wouldn't hear a response for decades or centuries, depending on how far away they are. Between 2017 and 2020, astronomers used modern radio telescopes, far more sensitive than Big Ear ever was, to scan that region again. They looked not just at the exact spot, but at surrounding areas, thinking maybe the source had moved, or maybe we'd miscalculated the original position. They expanded the search, listening across multiple frequencies, using techniques that didn't exist in 1977. The result? Zero. Not a whisper, not a hint, nothing. And here's what makes this so frustrating for scientists. Science depends on repeatability.